Okay, so I am pretty much set up to make soap. I'm going to be making it using this Silent Snowfall fragrance oil. So I have 2 blue Micas, and I'm going to be using that soap scraper there to create kind of a mountaintop design in my soap. It's my first time using this soap scraper, so fingers crossed. And then my third color will be white, which I will put on top of the blue mountains. And then I have some snowflake embeds, rather large embeds, I guess you can call them embeds, but snowflakes that I'm going to be putting on the very top of the soap. So I'm just waiting for my lye solution to cool down to the temperature of my oils. So one of the blue micas is this sky blue from Nurture Soap, and I got my lye solution to see what the temperature is. Alright, it's about 100 degrees. Let's see what our soap is. 96. Alright, 7. That's pretty close. I'm probably going to wait till it gets to like at least 90 though before I start to make it.